Welcome to Bool Fitness, where discipline creates champions.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Keep moving forward. Success is closer than you think. Never surrender. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to become stronger. When your body feels tired, keep going. When thirst tests your determination, stay focused. When life becomes difficult and every step feels heavy, refuse to quit. You can do it today. It will become the strength you carry tomorrow. Every drop of sweat, every sacrifice, and every moment of discipline brings you one step closer to victory. Believe in yourself, trust the process, stay disciplined, stay consistent. Your dreams are worth fighting for, fighting for. Believe in yourself, trust the process, stay disciplined, stay consistent. Your dreams are worth fighting for, fighting for.
Bool Fitness believes in one simple truth. Those who refuse to give up are the ones who succeed. Keep pushing. Keep believing. Your success is closer than you think.